Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a super quick and easy way to set up a clothesline that is strong, secure and won't sag under the weight of your clothes. Let's go.
First, I will tie a Highwayman's hitch at point A here. This knot is great, quick to tie and also release easily with a pull when you are done using it. Pick up your clothesline and make a bight. You will see a short end and a long end. Wrap the rope around the tree from behind.
Okay.
Make a bight at the long end and pass it through. Slightly pull the short end and the loop together. Then make a bight at the short end and pass it through. Then pull the long end. Insert a toggle into the loop. Pull the short end to tighten the toggle. Then pull the long end and walk towards your point B. About 3 to 4 feet away from point B, I will make a figure of 8 knots. Then pass the remaining end around point B and back to the figure of 8 knot. Now pull it tight towards point B. You can pull as tight as you want as long as you doesn't break your anchor point. Look how tight the line is. The setup is strong and won't sag. Let's put it to the test. I have got some wet clothes here, and we are going to hang them up to see how well the line holds. As you can see, the line is holding strong. Even with all these wet clothes, there is no sagging, perfect for any camping trip or even just your backyard. When it's time to take it down, just remove the toggle, then pull the short end, and it will release right away. No need to cut the rope or struggle with tight knots.
And there you have it, an easy, fast and secure way to set up a clothesline that will hold tight, won't sag and can be untied in seconds.
So, what if your clothesline isn't long enough? No worries, you can combine two ropes even if they are different diameters. Using the double sheets band knot. This knot is super reliable and perfect for extending your clothesline without compromising strength.
Okay, now for a little bonus tip. If you are in a windy area and worry about your clothes hangers bunching up, here's a simple trick. We are going to add small loops along the clothesline using the Alpine Butterfly Knot. This loop will keep your hanger spaced out and they won't all slice together when the winds pick up.
First, pick up a small piece of cord. Tie one end at point A. Any knot is fine. Then we can begin tying the Alpine Butterfly loops. First, make a loop, working end on top. Then twist it to create an egg shape. You will see a big loop on top, a tiny pocket below. Now, while pinching the tiny pocket, wrap the clothesline with the big loop. Then make a bight. Pass through the tiny pocket. Then pull everything tight. And there you have it, a strong loop ready for hanger. You can add as many loops as you need, spacing them out along the line. This way, each hanger has its own spot and won't slide around, even if the wind is blowing hard. As you can see, sometimes the hanger will come off due to strong wind. There's a workaround. Twist the loop to make it even smaller. Then insert the hanger again.
Before we wrap up, let's talk about the best rope for your clothesline. 100% polyester rope is my top choice. It is durable, resistant to UV rays, and won't stretch, keeping your clothesline tight and secure. Avoid using cotton or jute rope. They absorb moisture, stretch easily, can weaken or rust over time, which isn't ideal for clothesline. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. What is your thought about this setup? Feel free to leave your comment below. Until next time, ciao.